To me personally, development is hands down the most important thing we can offer our reps. We want to offer things like career advancement and significant earnings and really growth within your own self as a seller. But if we can help develop you to make you successful faster, that's a great thing. And so we actually build strategic programs for every single one of our reps.
So I think what really makes MongoDB's sales organization stand out is the amount of support and resources that everybody wraps their arms around to make you the most successful sales individual you can possibly be. Between sales bootcamp, between IST, sales training courses, and advanced sales training courses, they always continue to make sure that they're building upon your progression as an individual here.
The management team supports you in getting better every day, and they'll look at areas where they think you can get better and help you improve. Whether it's preparing for meetings beforehand or digesting what you did during the meeting and giving you constructive feedback, you're always getting better.